Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with another kit for you guys this week. This time I went through all of my lovely fabrics and my saris that I have, and I put together a kit. I actually have 4 of these available, and I'm calling this the Gypsy Boho fabric kit. And there's some beautiful things in there, and as always, I always add a couple of little surprise goodies when you purchase a kit from me. So let me get started. The pieces are roughly 13 by 13, but some of them are a little bit bigger. So let me go through. This is a sari I just got about 2 weeks ago, and it is heavily beaded. It is absolutely gorgeous, turquoise and gold. It's got little rhinestones in the flowers there, you can see. It's absolutely beautiful. It wasn't a big sari, so I can only give like small pieces like this, but this is like more than enough to do something with. And you can cut all these motifs out and everything. So let me see here. It's about 7 by 7 probably. 7 by 6.5, so close enough. It's almost a square, but there's more than enough to do something with there, and it's really beautiful. If you fussy cut all these out, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I love that piece. And then this is also a piece from another sari, and this is in this beautiful coral color, and this is all hand stitched with dimensional flowers on it. So these pieces will be slightly different in each kit, but they'll basically look like that. So you get that piece. So those are the only 2 smaller pieces. This is a vintage tablecloth, and as you can see, it's absolutely stunning and beautiful. You get all these beautiful pieces. I mean, that would be so gorgeous for the cover of a book. It would be really beautiful for the cover of a book. So there's lots you can do with these pieces. So that's one piece there. And then this is some beautiful burnout velvet, which is very expensive fabric. This stuff is not cheap. And the reason they call it burnout is they take the velvet and then they take like a hot press and it burns out the velvet down to the netting. So I think you can kind of see that there. But it's a really gorgeous, there you go. It's a really gorgeous, beautiful burgundy color. I absolutely love this fabric. I was like not wanting to part, but I do have a fair bit of it, so I thought I would share. So there's that beautiful piece of velvet. This is a gorgeous vintage gold satin, and it has a very soft, almost suede-like backing to it. So there's a nice piece of that. This is a beautiful upholstery weight fabric, and you can use either side of this one. It is a chocolate brown with a blue on this side, and then when you flip it over, there's more of the blue in the background. So you can use either side of this one, and that's why I love this fabric. It is upholstery weight. It's quite heavy. Again, this would be beautiful for the cover of a gypsy book. It's absolutely stunning. This is a jersey fabric, but look at these beautiful roses. I mean, you could cut all of those out. It's just so lush. I love these roses. They're so pretty. And it's burgundy and tan and like a plummy color and a coral. Super pretty. And I have included some white fabrics because I know a lot of us like to dye our fabric, so these are fabrics I know will be good for dyeing. So this is a nice piece. This was a vintage tablecloth as well, and it's got all the flowers and leaves and everything in it that you can cut out if you want, or just dye the fabric. So it's a beautiful piece of fabric. And then this one I love. This was also a vintage blanket, and it's got the big holes in it that everybody likes. And it's also got some fine stitching. I think they call this knot work. I'm not sure though, because these are kind of knotted or sewn together. I'm not sure, but it's a very cool material. This is an organza with some absolutely beautiful, I can't tell which way is up, I think that's the right way. Some absolutely beautiful flowers on here. I love this fabric. So pretty. So you could cut those out if you wanted, or you could layer, you know, some other fabric underneath it. I bet that rose fabric would look really pretty underneath that. So if you put this down and then put this on top, that would probably be really pretty. Look how pretty. And you can see the roses through it. So super nice organza fabric. This is a lovely lace. It's all sunflowers or daisies. But you could cut each one of those out, and as you can see, you get quite a few on your piece. So you could just cut those out and stack them up, or you can use this piece or dye them individually. This piece I love. This was from a vintage dress, and it is black velvet with silver sparkles. It looks like a night sky. Look at the glitter. It's so pretty, and it's super soft. But I really love this. This would be beautiful for any gypsy book or any gypsy project. Look at the shimmer on that. It's really gorgeous velvet. So another piece of velvet there. And then this is an upholstery fabric as well, in this beautiful gold. I've used this for making book covers. I made some pillows for my bedroom with this. I made heart pillows for my bedroom with this. So it's a really nice fabric, really pretty. There you can see the pattern. Very good quality fabric. This is a piece of sari. It is a red sari. It's silk with little gold motifs on it. This is also a beautiful piece. You get this edging, and it's like a vintage gold, I guess, on this beautiful crinkle organza. And then you have all these beautiful motifs on it as well, all embroidered. Super pretty. And then another upholstery fabric in red and gold. I mean, so vibrant and beautiful. That just, to me, epitomizes gypsy right there with the beautiful flowers and the flourishes. I love this fabric. It's so pretty. The other side, I mean, it's okay to use, but it's, you know, it's just the other side. This side is what you want. It's super nice. So I love this fabric. Very good quality fabric. This one is too. This is a beautiful beaded curtain that I got, and it has all these little pearls all over it. It's super nice organza with all these tiny pearls. So again, something beautiful. Look, there's a heart you could cut out there. So lots to do. And the last piece is this beautiful curtain fabric, and I've included on the bottom, each piece will have a length of the beads on it as well for you guys. And it's burgundy and gold. I don't know if you'll be able to see the, yeah, there's the flourishes. And it's like a burgundy color. And I make bags out of this. I love this for making bags. It's the perfect thing. And there's more than enough here to make a bag. You could just fold that over, have your beads coming out the bottom, and then you have a bag. So simple and easy to do. So that is my Gypsy Boho kit. I will just show you one more time what is in the kit. There's the beaded fabric, and then that, this beautiful piece, the sari, some gold, the gorgeous black velvet with so sparkly. Look at that sparkle. Love it. Lots of laces and white fabrics for you to dye, and you can make them any color you like. That's why I included some fabrics that are not specifically Gypsy or boho. This beautiful piece, which I love. So gorgeous. Lots of upholstery weight fabric. This one you can use either side. Satin. This beautiful burnout velvet. Vintage tablecloth that's gorgeous. And a couple of sari pieces. So that is my kit. The kit is $20. plus shipping. And I'm hoping, like, the shipping wasn't too expensive for my last kits, and this is not that heavy, so there is actually 17 different fabrics and then the two sari pieces. So it's a good deal for 20 bucks. So let me know if you're interested. You can email me. My email will be in the description box, or you can leave a comment below, and it's first come, first serve. I had a lot of questions about my other kit after they were all sold out, so we'll just keep going with the kits. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you're interested. Thanks, everybody. Bye.